Yo, 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 yo. What is up? How is everybody doing? Good, I hope. Good, I presume. Let me get some music going real quick. Let me get some music going. Guys, I have been having the toughest time this month trading. I think this is the worst, even since the day I started, when I knew nothing. I think I had an easier time when I knew nothing about trading compared to the past 2 weeks, to be honest. Yo, Shibby, how's it going? Good, I hope. Good, I presume. Ariel, Ramson, Logan. Yeah, we're showing up either way, though. Yeah, we're showing up either way. Straight to silver, legit. Let's actually look at silver. Oh, I'm on silver right now. Didn't even realize that was silver. Let's look at gold. Yeah. Guess how much is that range? Not very much. Not very much. Or I was just about to think about if I was gonna call you or not. Yeah, I was just about to call you actually. Yo, Jacob, you got the day off. Sick, man. Let's lose some money together. ST, what's up? When did everyone start trading silver? Legit. Yeah, that's a good question, actually. Yeah, it's a good question. How did we close? I think we closed super bullish on the daily yesterday, didn't we? Yeah, we're finally above all this shit. So, I mean, I'm pretty damn bullish for today as well. We've had a lot of green on the 4 hour, though. Maybe the first 4 hour of the day could be red. Who knows? Maybe not. Then meet Top Boy. Yo, what's good, man? What's good? Yeah, I've been saying, man, this month has been so friggin' difficult. So difficult. It's been the hardest time I've had. I don't know. I might even say ever. It's been so effing difficult to trade in. Don't think many of us making money in this market at the moment. I doubt it. Yeah, I was gonna trade my Apex account, but I didn't have the activation fee paid for. Why not call it a year, bro? I'm coming back next year. I mean, it's character building, right? It's character building. If I called it a year, I would have nothing to do. So I might as well just torture myself. A lot of people are doing that, though. A lot of people are calling it a year. And alone, my dude, is roughing these charts, legit. Yeah, it's pretty rough. Yo, Algo, what's up, man? Good to have you here again. Welcome back. Hope you're doing good. Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. Linux, what's up, bro? Welcome. Yeah, we're back at it again. We are back at it again. Shorted silver on open. Dope. I'm guessing it was a win. I seen it dropped quite a bit. That's good to know for the newbies. I guess so, yeah. I mean, I don't know how anybody's trading this market. Maybe yesterday would have been okay. I seen we actually had some volume in one direction yesterday. I seen we actually had some volume towards the end of yesterday that pushed us up. Tucker, what's up, man? Welcome. My man stayed up. My lord has risen. Yes. In a 5 contract sell right now, no stop loss. W, man. W. Built like a boss. A lot of traders lose in December because it's the last month and people want to end it strong, but opposite happens. Yeah, I can definitely see some psychological type shit going on for December. It is the roughest month I've ever had, I feel like. So far, we're not even fully through it yet, so maybe it'll turn around. Attempting to blow accounts. I feel like that's a good mindset to have. Maybe if you actually attempt to blow an account, it won't happen. Yeah, some reverse psychology type shit. I'm done for the day. Shorted gold at 42.82 and closed. Damn, 90 pips. That's crazy. Oh, are you new here? Yeah, I'm new here. I just started trading this month. I'll be pissed if they don't blow. Yeah, that's the mindset you need, man. Yeah. Hit gold with that reverse psychology type shit. $380 pip gap on NQ. Damn. Last year, December was crazy because of Trump election. Yo, Kyle, what's up? Good to have you here. Yeah, everybody talks about how December is trash. I mean, it could just be kind of random distribution of bad months, but like at the same time, is it a coincidence? The evals I passed yesterday, what I did actually was cook my consistency, so now I gotta go. Yeah, it's just one of those phases. Hopefully, one thing we're not gonna do is give up. So yeah, one thing we're not gonna do is give up. One of my Bullinox accounts was left with only $250, so I thought it was going to blow. I tried trading silver. It was more than double the passing threshold. That's funny. Yeah, silver yesterday, like silver the past few days have been the opposite of gold. There's been a lot of volume at all-time highs too. For real, this is just the trading equivalent of we gotta go vault. Literally, man. I feel like I am losing hair for sure. Yo, Young Quan. Hello, boss. How's it going? Do you think type 2 on hourly is strong enough or not much volume right now? I'm not a big fan of it. I gave up last December because I couldn't get a read on the market and lost motivation. Yeah, you were telling me about that, yeah. Gonna push through this time. Sorted out that giveaway yet? Not yet, but it will be, 100%. It's gonna be close to Christmas. I need to figure out how I can buy an account for someone. How am I gonna give someone an account? Give away your yeah. I'll let someone be me. I'll give away my identity. Dang, bro, that hoodie looks real comfy. It's pretty comfortable, yeah. It's pretty comfortable for sure. Yeah, guys, I am giving away my identity for Christmas. If you want to be me and have my drawdown, then you feel free. Check the Discord. Yeah, sure. One sec. Damn, that's the charts you trade on? Holy shit, I wouldn't be able to do it. You got so much going on that. I would not be able to trade that. I would have so much dopamine and adrenaline running through my body. Yeah, I don't know how you do that. Massive W though. When I do them with Alpha, I get the IT team to just put an account on their dash. Yeah, that would be sick. I won a few accounts and giveaways. They usually are affiliates with prop firms, so they gave me codes to 100% offset the cost. Yeah, that'd be a good way to do it. The more information I could see, the more clear I am on the choices I make for trades. So having all the information in front of me that I need to determine that is there. Yeah, I understand that for sure. To me, I find a lot of information on different indicators is like contradicting each other. So, but I also haven't used them. Yo, Flynn, what's up, man? Welcome. Smash the like button, guys, if you haven't already. We out here. I need to go get my coffee in a second. I'm freaking. It's another day where I woke up close to Asia and like immediately was like, damn, I got to get a shower. Like ran to the shower, hopped on. Naked shower is the only thing my ADHD can handle, legit. This is the cleaner version. Yeah, I prefer that personally. Definitely prefer that myself. Yes, Bullish Gold. Yeah, we actually had some friggin'. Damn, I wouldn't be able to take that either. I wish we kind of wicked down on this candle. I would take a buy here on silver. I would do it. I just don't like that we don't have a wick on the hourly. We didn't even retest either. Every grid triggers my OCD. I need it clean. Yeah, for sure. Nuke these accounts, gang. Everybody nuke their accounts and use my Bullinox code to reset. Bro, for a Bullinox master account, do we need to achieve any threshold amount like Apex? Or do we just need 10 profitable days? You do need to achieve a buffer, yes. $100 more than what your maximum loss is. $100 more than what your maximum loss is. And then you can take a payout. No, that's what you need to leave in there, actually. Yeah, you can't withdraw down below that. That's what it is. Yeah, Bullish Gold, man. We'll see. We definitely closed very bullish yesterday. Maybe we'll wick down quite a bit on the daily first. Luke, what's up, man? Welcome. Good to have you here. Restart to install the latest. Bruh, don't make me restart. Join the private group today. W, man. I think I did see you in there. Massive W. Yeah, that's good, man. I'll be back in 1 second. I need to go get my coffee. Damn. I went out there expecting my coffee to be poured up, and I friggin' realized that it glitched when I pressed brew the last time, and it wasn't poured up, so I had to redo it. So it took me a bit longer. But yeah, we got it done. We indeed got it done. The wick of the last candle, no stop loss. Why would you use a stop loss? Do you even need to say no stop loss? Is that black? Yes, it is. Yeah, it's a black coffee. Cause I am a real man. I only drink my coffee black. Yeah, black iced coffee. Yo, Mark, what's up? I like my coffee like I like my women. James, what's up, man? Welcome. Only unprofitable traders use stop losses. Legit. Soy mocha venti. Brady, welcome. Yeah, we got fucking BYN trades here. Bin trades. The man himself. Good to see you, Pez. Thanks for being here. I trust you are well. I'm pretty good. Yeah. I've been saying, like, I've been having a really rough time lately, but that's it. Not like rough time outside of trading, but within trading, which is kind of my life. Damn, my man killing it. My man Algo got the algorithm, guys. My man Algo got the algorithm. I just seen a DM from someone that I didn't see before. I'll answer that later. Does the gap usually get filled? Lots of times it do, yeah. Lots of times it do. Pez Jr. is getting better. Only 20 minutes sleeping into that. Keep forgetting to try and fix that. What's the trend on NAS right now? I can't even look at NASDAQ. So when do I quit my job? Tomorrow, whenever you want, bro. Yeah, whenever you want. Grant, what's up? Yeah, everybody smash the like button. Everybody smash the freaking like button. Let's look at silver. How did that buy play out after? Well, we still didn't even get a retest, so. How are you doing, Grant? Good, I hope. Good, I presume. Bluey. Bluey is a beautiful person, guys. Just so you all know, Bluey is beautiful. Those emojis, man. No, you. Alex, welcome, bro. Welcome. Yo, check out those dogs, gang. What do you mean those dogs? Those lean hugs? What do you mean those dogs? Is that what those emojis are? Dogs? I can't even tell. I barely see it. Woof woof. What are some of your trading rules? You can see 3 of them on the screen right there. You can see 3 of them. Need to always wait for a closure. Need to wait for a retest. And need to order play safe side first, man. Yeah, they're orange cats. That makes a lot more sense. I got caught in a bad slip on my position for NQ. Decided to close early in a tiny profit. Yeah, man. Good discipline right there. Good discipline. You guys are degens, man. I keep seeing shit about no stop losses in chat. You guys are straight up degens. Yeah, I'm sorry to tell you, Tucker, but those are definitely cats. Yeah, sorry to break it to you, but I'm a cat person though anyways. Growing up, I always liked dogs more, but yeah, like when I got older, cats became my jam. Maybe Tucker is secretly a cat person. Yeah, Tucker is secretly a cat person. Oh yeah, straight up. Rest in peace, Buddy, man. Buddy was my childhood dog. Yeah, rest in peace, Buddy. Yeah, Buddy was a G. Buddy was the most protective dog I ever seen. But he never attacked, he always just barked. He never did attack. Tucker got a sick dog. Is your dog a German Shepherd, Tucker? When I see it, I feel like that's what it is. 64 people here. We just had a bunch of new cats come in. Guys, I'm going to drop the Discord link. We have a free Discord for anybody to join. Anybody and everybody is welcome. We're growing pretty quick, so if you want to get in like on a ground floor, do it. We have an awesome community talking about like discipline, shit like that. Just overall life shit. Guys, I have to really think about my fucking life, man. I need to be way more disciplined lately. I'm having a tough time dealing with like the frustration of taking unnecessary losses with the way the price action's been. Yeah, trying to see if I can make them notice faster. Yeah, I would appreciate that, Brady, for sure. We have people. Logan always reminds me. I forget about it, and then I come in. Logan's like, yeah, it was 20 minutes late. Any advice on how to lose right now? Copy trade me. One, what's up? I'm good, man. I'm good. Why do they have music on his playlist with lyrics in it? It always trips me out. I'm still not seeing a breach email. I'm not failing hard enough. Nah, man, you're gonna pass it. Oh, Tucker. I mean, is it confidential information that I got a meeting with Alpha tomorrow? Well, today kind of, but is that confidential? Am I supposed to say that? From my observation, Pez, when you are reflecting. Wait, what do you mean? Self-attack mode type thing? Yeah, that's me for sure. Xander. I think it's Xander. Yeah, what was / is your wrist structure when starting a new combine? It depends. When I was getting used to the motions of going through prop firms, it was a lot lower risk than what it is now. I go pretty heavy now because I don't really want to be in the challenge phase. I don't bother staying in the challenge phase for that long. There's no point, really. Can I suggest observing those emotions from a third person and describe the physical feelings? Mental note, then forget. Yeah, I typically like to practice mindfulness as much as I can when I'm dealing with these things. I just haven't been doing it very well lately. Yeah, I like to note them for sure. Kind of how you're saying. I like to note them and like identify them, and just accept them and let them pass. I find that's the best way to deal with them. exactly the same shadow work as you, mate, so I can see your side. Yeah. Understandable. Tucker says I'm floating 1.5k drawdown right now. Shit's lit. Let's go. My man purposely blowing the cams to build that to get a little rough around the edges. Build that what's it called? The resilience. Yeah. It's like when you're bench pressing, you know, you gotta actually put yourself through resilience. Floating, yeah. I'm just drowning in blown accounts right now, you know what I'm saying? Swimming in them. I have so many. Exposing your vulnerabilities. Legit. My man Moogie should be actually called Yogi. It's like in Minecraft when you built a house uneven, so you had to destroy it all to make it centered again. Literally, man. Yeah, literally. All that work. While you're doing it, you feel like you're doing such a good job too. You get towards the end, you're like, oh, finally. Put all this work in and it's paying off. And boom, gotta do it again. Are we bullish in Gold G? I would say so. Overall for the day, for sure, yeah. It's pretty clear to me that we're pretty bullish today. Especially after that closure yesterday. Being above all those wicks and everything. Engulfed a lot of shit. In saying that, who knows? We might not be bullish this session, but yeah, for the day overall, I would say. Smash the like button, guys. Smash the motherfucking like button. And join the Discord. Free Discord pinned in chat. 91% off full nice code. For anybody who's kind of learning the prop firm space, there's an intraday drawdown on it, so it's tough to pass, but it's good for building data. It's cheap, about $15. Am I in a trade? No. If I was in a trade, you'd be able to see it on screen. I'm not in a trade right now, no. There's no clear direction right now at all for where we're going to go in this session. PA poop at the moment. I demand some action. Legit, bro. I demand some action. I'm going to have to call up Jerome. I do have him on speed dial. Got a faster bot setup now. Hopefully it works faster as it says it does. Hopefully, yeah. Yeah, hopefully. Did you have to pay for that? If you had to pay for it, I'll send you money. Red button on the desk. I wish. Yeah, I wish I had a fucking nuke button on my desk, so I could just nuke the markets any moment. Literally. Yeah, Tucker, I'd say you were fucking pumped about passing those accounts too, eh? Not free, but you can upgrade, but it's not something you need to pay for. Alright, sweet. Sweet. Yeah, thanks for doing that, man. How much you want to bet this coffee is going to send me to the washroom as soon as we're about to enter a trade? I'd put some big money on that. Forex Factory shows Trump speaking in 45 minutes. Holy shit, no way. Take the stream with you, bruh. Pause on that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get my GoPro going for when I go to the washroom. If this puts me back in profits, I gotta go long, legit. Adam. Bad boy, man, bad boy. My last dollar, sir. I'll take that from you. Yeah, I'd love to take that from you. Pez POV in the shower stream. Yeah, we're lit, man. We're doing that for sure. But that's going to be a paid stream, though. Yeah, that's going to be a paid stream. Sorry, Tucker, but yeah. I mean, you're most likely going to be the only person who pays for it, so obviously. You finna start OF, I heard. Yeah, I might have to. OnlyFans career switch. I mean, if trading fucking doesn't go back to normal, then I might have to, yeah. Damn, bro, I see how it is. Dude, like I said, like, who else is gonna pay for that but you? So, can you blame me? Marketing for OF is peak. Yeah, that's the only reason I'm doing this. I'm building an audience for OF. Maybe we sell below that level, but I doubt it's gonna stick around. Gotta pay the bills somehow if you're getting fucked here. Might change it up for a living. Yeah, I mean, you gotta pay the bills, but like, you also gotta keep your morals intact. I wouldn't want to like sacrifice my dignity, personally. Also, no one's gonna fucking buy that. I'm back in profit. Yeah, Jesus is reliable, 100%. Major L, Tucker. Major L. Yahweh is the way, legit. Yeah, I wonder what's gonna happen when Trump speaks. Probably gonna send the market in a spiral. We'll see though. We shall see. When is the rooster speaking? I think someone said 45 minutes, so yeah, that was 8 minutes ago. They said 45 minutes, so almost like just above 30 minutes from now. Damn, we're almost at 600 subs. We're almost there. It's crazy. Bro, why is silver micros $5 per tick? Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? Orange meanie. Guys, what other nicknames do we have for Trump here? He's like a double-sized Oompa Loompa. That one's crazy. Check to Dissy. Don't tell me you got another win, bro. I'll watch that after. Yo, vegans here. Would you avoid trading during that time when Trump speaks? Orange folder. We'll see. I'm gonna see how it reacts like on that candle. Yeah, I'll watch it right after this. Orange as it can be. Is it a coincidence that folder is orange and Trump speaking? I don't think so. One account blown. Let's go. W, Tucker, W. Also another trade? No way. My man. Don't trade. Top Step X is not closing out trades. Are you sure? I feel like they wouldn't allow you to enter one if they weren't closing them out. Bruh. That's fucking sick. Why is your name Tick Ash TDS? Why the heck is your name Tick Ash TDS? Top Step is not working. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I have no reason to believe it's not working, but oh, okay. Yeah, I see. Yeah, bro's yelling in chat. Bro's yelling in text. How can you even yell in text? I'm not in their Discord. Yeah, reading fucking capitalized messages is kind of hilarious. Not gonna lie. I feel like they would definitely email me if that was the case. I promise I'm not being aggressive. Yeah, guys, Orm's gonna have to chill or else I'm blocking him. Or else I'm cutting him out of this stream. Regular show? I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what regular show is. Save my followers capital? What do you mean my followers capital? What about my capital? Yeah, look, Logan just opened a position and closed it, no problem. Nah, I don't know what regular show is. I've never seen that or heard of it. Is it a UK thing? My man's just straight up coming in here and blaspheming Top Step. Brady, that's not even how you say it, bro. That was terrible French. It's est-ce que je peux aller aux toilettes? I think. Google Translate French. My God, you did French class in high school. Why do you have to Google Translate that shit? Used to be American. I'm Canadian. Baguette du croissant. Yeah, every time I go to fast food and order a croissant, I'm like, can I have a croissant? Oui, oui, monsieur. You guys fuck with the Eiffel Tower and 100%. Yeah, I want to go there one day. I want to go there one day. I actually went to Quebec one day. Back in the day. It's a pretty funny time. Kind of just a massive lamppost. I mean, valid. That's totally valid. What word is that? I never seen that word before. been to France 3 times and don't speak French at all. W. Bullish in French. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. This is like, I feel like every day we come into Asia and it's just 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in a row, just back to back, and we haven't went anywhere. Might have to just start showing up an hour later. What does that mean? I know if Orem said it's definitely going to be a troll. Some type of bad word. Do we have to adjust the times to trade? Because I swear moves been happening way out of session times. No, I wouldn't say we have to adjust times to trade. It's just sometimes it happens like that for some reason. Yeah, sometimes it goes through phases like that. You just, like, it's more likely majority of the time the moves will be in session opens, and then there's times when they aren't, and you can't really do anything about it because you can't predict it. Bro, we need to be the first traders with a diamond play button. 100%, man. Yeah, we're getting there. We're definitely getting there. Over halfway to 1K now, legit, man. It's crazy. Yeah, we're almost at 600 subs now. I feel like, wasn't it at the beginning of the week we hit 500? Or was it the end of last week? Do you guys think Donald Trump plays Angry Birds sometimes? What kind of question is that? Obviously he does. It was Monday night that we hit 500. Sheesh, bro. We're almost at 600 already. Yeah, hit that sub button, man. If you guys are new here and you're enjoying it, the chill vibes, somewhere to hang out, and if you want a community to be involved in, we got the Discord there. It's free. And yeah, hit the sub button, turn those noties on. We're doing this every day, even through the shit conditions. It's character building, you know. It's character building. Done for the night? W, man. Yeah, fuck, I'd be done for the night too if I made 2.5K. Yeah. Massive W. I'll catch you later if you're leaving. You might reach 1K subs before the year ends. I hope so. Yeah, I'd be freaking blown away if I did. That would be insane. Still gonna be in the chat, just done trading for the night. Silver just paid me for a week. Massive, bro. Massive. Yeah, sick. Sick. What does Silver look like now? Silver been acting a little bit weird too. I can see yeah, never mind. need to get that Apex account activated. Yeah, I passed the Apex account last night. A 300k one. Yeah, so we're gonna get that started ASAP. How much do you risk when trading a funded account? Depends on my buffer. Yeah, it depends on my buffer. It's completely circumstantial. What are those higher time frame levels? What do you mean? These are levels like on the 15-minute time frame. Lots of times we're in the wicks of the higher time frame, so it don't really line up exactly. The blue lines are, yeah, basically I drop down to the 15-minute time frame after I look at the higher time frames to get my levels. I don't use like the hourly levels or 30-minute levels as often as the 15-minute levels, just because the 15-minute I consider to be the lowest time frame, but still not strongest, but still strong enough to cause problems, cause a reaction. So the lowest time frame with enough strength to reflect a point in time where price might have a reaction. Break and retest, yeah, exactly. Or rejection off those levels. That's a possibility too. Yeah. You have these same levels, W. Yeah, I think you're pretty good. Pretty good levels. I don't like coming into a session and like smack dab in the middle of them though. Kind of fucking hate that. Patience is tough, definitely. Especially after like having such a frustrating couple weeks. Remember when Trump wanted to audit Fort Knox? Trump is all over the place. Trump is the most random president. Bro posted a video on Twitter of him legit blowing up, well, not him, but of the army blowing up a boat with people on it who were smuggling drugs. Just straight up posted it on Twitter. I used to love coming on Dan's Live and have the same levels. Oh man, I remember those days too. I totally understand that. I used to feel the same way. I bet to get interesting, possibly. Bro, just nuking people. Literally. Bet to get interesting, maybe. Such good confirmation, yeah. And then after a while, you just realize it just becomes so easy to understand why they're there. And then you don't even like feel any type of way about where his levels are. What's this? This is gold, my man. Yeah, this is gold. What's up, Vlad? Welcome. Yeah, good to have you here. Did you catch that big move up? I was asleep. I was passed out. It's too bad that... Yeah. XAU now GC because I'm trading futures. Yeah, trading futures. I mean, maybe we can catch a little something after we have that little Trump speech. Kind of see the overall direction of where that's going to push us. Nice, how's it going? Past couple weeks have been really rough, but yeah, it's going good either way. I just realized, bro, do you do analysis on your futures chart? Yeah. I also do. The only reason I look at Forex is for the 4 hour, really. It's like the only reason I look at Forex, because the 4 hour opens at a different time. You kind of get more insight. It's not that it's out of sync. It tells the same story, but just like with different grammar. That's the way I explain it. It tells the same story with different grammar because it opens at different times. Does a 15-minute give you daily opportunities? Lots of times it do, yeah, but I mean, it's been really weird lately with the way things are playing out. But in good conditions, yeah, sometimes multiple times a day, you'll see really good setups. Currently floating 2K in profits. What the heck? On a funded or a challenge? Yeah, funded or challenge? I hope you're not unfunded. DK, so I'm trying to blow you at W. Well, not W because you're failing at doing that, but... Guys, we just bumped up to 77 viewers. Smash the like button. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button. If you just joined, we have a free Discord pinned in the YouTube chat. Awesome community. Get together every weekend on a stage in there. Completely welcome to join. 91% off Bullnox code for anybody who wants a cheap challenge. It does have intraday drawdown, which is not fun, but it's good for building data and taking it slow. Would you prefer to sell? Since there's 3 days we've been bullish. No, I wouldn't prefer to sell at that point. I don't like to predict pullbacks unless there's like clear confirmation. I typically like to trade in line with the direction we've been in. I find, especially with gold, like predicting the top is a dangerous game. Like, look at this. I'll just show something. If you just zoom out to how gold's been like the majority of time. Look at all of those green candles. Look at that. You know, if you tried to predict the top and all of that shit, you'd just be getting cooked over and over again. Well, like I said, this session with you know, how daily candles typically do form, this session could present a sell opportunity with the fact that we haven't created that much of a bottom wick on a daily yet. Good morning, Morgan. Welcome. Good to have you here. Good to have you. It's like what Dan always says, why would you sell when everything's green? Yeah. Like, even when we take those type 2s on the 15-minute time frame, we wait for, like, if you're green, we wait for that red closure first for confirmation. Yeah, I got a pretty strong feeling that we're not going to stick around here and we're just going to fucking not give us an entry. Yeah, I have a pretty strong feeling that we're not going to get an entry, but that's chill. How did the hourly close? The hourly close pretty strong bearish, but at a support level. It's pretty ugly, man. It's pretty ugly Asia session so far. Not gonna lie. Yeah, pretty ugly so far. Morning. Good to see you, Allison. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What did you miss? You missed these 4 candles in a row, and then impulsive push down towards this level, and it's a little bit of a rejection off it, but still lots of time left on this candle. What we expecting? Not really expecting anything, just kind of waiting for things to play out, and looking for confirmation. Reject more. Good morning, Martin. Good to see you, bro. Yeah, very good to see you. Where would the confirmation be? Basically a bullish closure in the opposite direction with a wick kind of giving the level a stab. Yeah, I want to see that level kind of get stabbed and then fail to close below. If it fails to close below, that's pretty clear confirmation. Yeah, it's an E, not an I. Come on, Allison, get it right. You kidding me? Purple tip. What's up, gang? What up, what up, what up, gang? Welcome. I'm going to see if anybody used that Bullnox code anymore after I haven't looked for a bit. Let's see if anybody's used that code. I'm just curious. Oh, damn. Yeah, more people use it. Damn, like 10 more people use it. You used it yesterday, Morgan. Dope. Yeah, the only thing that sucks about these accounts is the intraday drawdown. But like I always say, building data with it is definitely really useful. My first funded account was with one of these accounts. And my first payout was with one of those accounts too. Oh, Algo, you sent mad people there? W, man. W. Yeah, that's sick. Appreciate you, big dog. Does intraday stop once you pass? It stops once you build the buffer past the account size. You know what I'm saying? Like when your maximum loss limit gets trailed up to your original account size, it gets locked at your original account size. It stops there. Yeah, that's true, Morgan. With a 50K, I think it's a 3K buffer plus $100, so 3,100. So in that case, like, yeah, it stinks that you have to build a bit more, but it's also good that you get more space too. So it's like, yeah. What's silver doing right now? What is silver doing right now? Kind of getting a bit of a push down on silver. Little bit of a push down. You know what? If we close below this level and give like a decent little retest, I'll probably sell silver, to be honest. Look at what Ariel said. 7 subs away from 600. Guys, we got 78 people here. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. We're doing this every day. We're taking L's. We're losing money. Guys, who's doing it like me? We're losing money in front of people every day. Who is doing it like me? Nobody. I'm going to get back up. 100%. Yeah, maybe we can get a little bit of like a wick fill on silver, maybe. Maybe a bit of a wick fill on silver. I don't know how to calculate ticks on silver though. I might just enter 5 fulls and regret it. Is Ariel a mermaid? Yes. Yeah, there's no doubt about that. She is a mermaid, 100%. Remind me to check silver in 7 minutes. Yeah, remind me to check silver. Yeah, I meant remind me in 7 minutes. Oh, that's funny. Finally got into Trade Zella and started backtesting like a maniac. To fine-tune dancing your strategy, best tool out there by far. Yeah, it's good, eh? Oh shit, we hit 80 viewers. Welcome, guys. If you're new here, we have a free Discord pinned in the YouTube chat. And hit the subscribe button. If you don't subscribe, you will be haunted in your sleep. Nah, I won't say that. That's bad. That's bad. Backup was acquired. Nice. Just trading off support and resistance levels, or is there more to it? I mean, the support and resistance levels definitely aren't random, and the way we approach those levels and kind of analyze the reactions off those levels is pretty nuanced. But yeah, if you want to like condense, if you want to like fucking water everything down, then yeah, you could say that. Yeah, if you don't sub, you're hitting stop loss. And if you do sub, you're also hitting stop loss. Sorry to tell you. Lovely to find the channel. Liking your stream. Nice and chill. Just scary on minis. I'm a micro gold guy. Yeah, I understand that. I used to be micro pretty much my entire journey. But yeah, welcome. Good to have you here. Can't wait for my promise to be fulfilled. What, the diamond play button? 3 subs away. Oh, guys, we hit friggin', can you believe that we hit 500 subs the beginning of this week? And we're 3 subs away from 600 now. Guys, that is exponential growth. Like, everybody who tunes in and watches, guys, I'm so thankful, and I really appreciate you showing up. And guys, like I said, no one's doing it like me. Like, no one's actually getting on executing and losing money every day, like me. In not even 5 days, you've gained another 100 subs. It's crazy. It's crazy. And hopefully that growth can only like compound from here too. I want to reach as many people as possible. Like, we're really doing this, you know. We are really doing this. What about Dan? He's not doing it like me. Well, not anymore because he's been doing it for so long. He's doing it in a different way. He's doing it in a different way. Because he's already at 50K subs. So he's doing it. But he's not doing it like me. You know what I'm saying? Gonna play this in a nursing home. That's funny. I feel like it'd be fitting. Yeah, that's true. Dan kind of isn't, because I do multiple streams. Like just the other day I friggin' did 3 streams in one day, and I think each stream was 1 or 2 hours. Dan is growing mad. Yeah, I mean, once you reach 50K subs, it kind of just snowballs even more from there, I feel like. So gold is definitely not closing below. I mean, silver. Gold is rejecting up like crazy. YouTube is showing you in my feeds you're doing something right for the algo to show you. I seen you on recommended beside a Top Step stream. Damn. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. I mean, yeah, I just love this shit. I love this shit for sure. You guys fucking, yeah, you guys give me fulfillment, and like, yeah, I appreciate you guys. Would have been too easy. That close. Gold ain't making it too easy. Yeah, Tucker's in a cell right now, but he's trying to blow his account, so that's why he keeps saying more. Top Step secretly bought Pez ads. That's funny. Imagine. I mean, I am sorry to tell you guys, but as soon as I can get monetized, I'm getting monetized. So if you don't have YouTube Premium, you're going to have ads. I'm sorry to tell you that, but you got to respect the hustle. You got to respect the hustle. When you first started trading, how many micros would you use? 5 or less, honestly. Yeah, when I first started trading, I'd use 5 micros or less. And the ranges were even smaller back then too. What are the requirements for monetization on YouTube? 1,000 subs and 400 watch hours. 1,000 subs and 400 watch hours. Yeah, I use YouTube Premium too. I find it is actually really good. And that's true. YouTube ads is not that bad to get through. I got probably like almost, maybe around 3,000 watch hours now. Yeah, I have premium. Ads are a waste of time. Legit. I use premium mainly for the music. Yeah, I've come so far so fast. It's crazy. Like, it's crazy. Yeah, we really took off like early. Like, it was just like, yeah, I started building with 1 micro, then build up to 3K max. Yeah, that's a W way to do it. Breaking news, AI company Nvidia has announced a deal with the AI coin FedCoin. Bro, you're tripping, man. You're tripping. Yeah, I'll just leave that there actually, because that's funny. Did they actually do that though? I seriously doubt it. I feel like that's a coin that this dude just created, and he's trying to rug pull everybody. I have a question, Pez. Go ahead, man. Shoot. You're gonna need that monetization to wire yourself. Oh, you fucker. You fucker. I was wondering where the trash talk was. You didn't even mention it once since you joined. Faint coin is crazy. Fent coin is crazy. Seth is teaching us how to do option selling tonight. You should get into that too. I'm thinking about it. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking about it. Looking at this 15-minute tweezer candle is right at support. It looks strong, but we don't have clean range to the left. Would you ever trade that? Oh shit, Trump just started talking. Damn. Yeah, let's see it. Let's see if he drops some bombs on the market. Hopefully he does. But what was this question? I've seen this often. Looking at this 15-minute tweezer candles right at support. It looks strong, but we don't have clean range to the left. Yeah, I won't. The thing about me is I like to catch from like when we bounce off a range. I don't want to take my trade like already halfway up the range. I want to like catch it closer to where the bottom of the range is. But lots of times we do friggin' push too far in one candle and we don't get that entry. That's just it. That's how it plays out for me personally. China. Yeah, that's how it plays out. Maybe Trump can at least get us to one of these levels. This is not considered a type 2 setup. Nah, not for me. Trump is the man, bro. If it wasn't for Trump, I wouldn't have had such a legendary run that I had to get to live on Top Step. Bro, I keep getting interrupted. Spread doing spread things. Yup. Sent too early, chats, bruh. Trump is the only one who can get us out of this chop. Literally, man. Like, Trump is reliable. Did anybody see that Trump started selling his own Bibles? It's freaking funny, man. Oh shit, I might pull something up actually. I might pull something up real quick. Am I logged into my account? No, I'm not. Fuck. Wait. I'm going to scan this QR code real quick. Trump coin exploded? Really? Did it actually? One sec, guys. I'm trying to show you guys something. Trying to show you guys something. Because someone mentioned... Oh, wait. I mentioned it. Yeah, I brought up Trump Bibles. Look at this. I'll show you something I ordered. I'm not going to expose any of my information, am I? Damn, how do I get rid of that? Show my address. Yeah, I can't show my freaking address. But Wait, wait. Oops. Yeah, fuck it, I won't show you. Coming for me, legit. Oh yeah, I could do that actually. Ramson is a W man's. Yeah, wait. Snipping tool. You guys see that shit? That's the Bible I ordered. The Pulpit Bible, Cowhide Overboard, English Standard Version. It was on sale. It's freaking expensive ass Bible. But I thought, you know, why would I cheap out on a Bible? I literally got like one of the most expensive ones I could find, with like the gold lettering and stuff and like the shiny paper. Cause I want to freaking go ham with the Bible. Is that a W Bible or not? Yo, Seth is here. You finally made it. What did you misseth? Absolutely nothing, bro. Absolutely nothing. Guys, we almost got 100 viewers in here now. Freaking smash the like button. Smash the like button. Hit subscribe. Yeah, maybe we hit 600 after. I'm not sure, but like, damn, we've been growing like crazy. We're really doing this every day. Yeah, we're really doing this, guys. Yeah, it looks amazing, dude. It really does. And I got a freaking a little bit of a cheaper one, but it's still high quality. Goat skin actually is what it is. Fuck, I keep remembering my uncle might be watching this, but yeah, it's his Christmas gift. How do we feel about grilled cheese, gang? Bro, I fucking love it. Grilled cheese is gas. Yup. Grilled cheese is absolutely gas. The word is reliable. Jesus is reliable. 100%. 100%. How big would this candle be if we broke below? Damn, 91 ticks. What the heck? Are we back in these big ranges now? Pez is reliable. Bro, why am I 3K in profit again? Isn't that crazy? The market is actually insane right now. These are Trump ranges. Yeah, we're back into Trump ranges. Just a casual Trump candle, you know. Casual little Trump candle. Yeah. Trump needs to induce fear so people buy gold. Legit. Yeah, Trump will he'll step on the friggin' podium and be like, China, and gold will just skyrocket every time. Guys, we got 93 people here. Smash the friggin' like button. Hit subscribe. Yeah, Trump is a legend, man. Like I said, if it wasn't for Trump, I would not have went on the legendary run that I went on. I don't think. It's not a blown account. It's a live account. That's my balance of my live account with Top Step. Let's go. NASDAQ is like scary and stuff. Yeah. I need to win a few trades so I can get my freaking $10,000 bonus with Top Step. Pretty freaking close. Yeah, I'm on like my third bonus with Top Step now. Trump can make you crazy profits, literally, man. Literally. That's what's sick about Top Step is they'll like give you incentive to grow your account. Like if I get a certain amount of profit on my account, they're just gonna give me $10,000, which is sick. I'm gonna sleep and let you know if my account is blown in the morning. All right, sounds good. Hope it is, bro. What's the bonus requirements? Just a certain amount of profit. How long did it take you to get a live account? How many blown accounts? Can you share a little of your story? Yeah, I'm actually going pretty in depth in my story in a long form YouTube video that's gonna be posted soon. But I went to live pretty quick. Yeah, what I did is I went to this prop firm, Bull and Ox. Like you can see, I got a 91% off code on the screen. I use 91% off codes all the time, and I just fucking spammed Bull and Ox accounts, blew 40, learned my way, like my ins and outs of the prop firm game. Took a couple payouts, moved to Top Step, pretty much passed the account that week. Got an XFA, grew the fuck out of it really quick, and then got moved to live pretty quickly. Yeah, I tell my story there on Daniel Holmes' channel as well. We did a podcast together. Yeah, we did a podcast on Daniel's channel. A Bible that is worn and messy belongs to someone cleaning up their life. One that is clean and unused belongs to someone ignoring it. I mean, I wouldn't say that. I mean, you can take care of your Bible. I wouldn't say there's a difference. Like, yeah, whether your Bible is clean or not wouldn't give me an idea of how much you read it. One person can like really value taking care of it, maybe. Like this expensive one I just bought, I'm freaking taking care of that 100%. I'm not gonna like beat it up or anything or get dirt on it. What's the requirements to get moved to live? And also, when you get moved to live, what balance do you start on? The requirements to get moved to live is 5 payouts on one XFA account, 5 payouts on one single XFA account, and then you get your balance on your XFA account brought over to live. So you can either get your multiple XFAs combined and then get that balance brought over, or you can just get, however many accounts you have, those balances get brought over. And then also you freaking, what was I gonna say? You can only bring over up to the account size that you bought. So they do have a cap on how much you can bring over to live. Say you have a 50K account, you can only bring up to $50,000 account into your live. This candle looks like it'll close past the support. Yeah, I don't like that it's such a big candle though. Looks like gold and silver will close under. What does silver look like? Damn, silver looks way better, I think. I think I might be more interested in silver, to be honest. Will it be another gold fake out? Possibly. $25 per tick, literally, bro. Literally. I think I'm more interested in silver, especially based on the 30-minute closing like that. And there being a nice little wick here to fill. How did gold close? Gold did break below, but yeah, we don't have the same structure as silver. Yeah, we don't have the same structure as silver. Is it $25 per tick? I need to figure out what the fuck I'm risking here. If I go up 40 tick stop loss, what am I risking? Wait, what would the math be on that? Bro, I'm about to get ticked in with 4 minis. I don't even know what I'm risking. 5 times gold? Is it actually 5 times gold? Hold on, I really need to figure this out. Yes, that's what it'd be. 200. Oh shit, I'm risking way too much, dude. What the fuck? I'm risking literally way too much. Literally risking way too much. How did gold play it after? Gold is also wicking up still. Yeah, I'm gonna do a sell, I think. I'm trying to calculate how heavy I want to go. I might just have to do 1 minute on silver. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my TP at Wickville, I think. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Looks like gold is actually kind of pushing down now after retesting. I think if it pushes past a 40 tick stop loss, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel it, to be honest. Yo, Macram. Hope I pronounced your name right. Silver is just not wanting to play ball now. Passing that. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I just wouldn't want to have that big of a stop loss anyways. More than 40 ticks I feel like would just be too much. More than 40 ticks would just be too much, I think. Maybe I'll wait for a small body green if we want to reject down and then close below there. That'll actually look way better anyways. That'll look way better anyways. It broke one color from resistance. Yeah, it did. The resistance wasn't like that far away though, which is why I didn't care that much. I also don't know how to measure, like, I don't know how to judge how many ticks is a lot on silver. Visually, it doesn't look like it was that big of a candle. Well, kind of it does, but the 30 looks so beautiful. 30 looks so beautiful with that wick down there too. GC, now gold looks more overextended to me than silver does. I don't think I'd even want to take this trade. Even if we freaking pushed down and broke this low, I wouldn't even want to take this. Because I know gold more than silver. Just use buy limit and set TP and stop loss. Are you on mini? So every tick is $50 for silver. Yeah, I knew that. Yeah, I knew that already. Oh shit, we're 2 subs away from 600. Guys, we got 89 people here. If you're enjoying the stream, if you dig the vibes, then smash the subscribe button, like button, whatever you want to do. Friggin', we got a 91% off code for Bullnox as well. Unsubbing is crazy, Adam. Appreciate you guys for being here. We might end up watching gold take off here and having to say bye to it. We might end up saying goodbye to gold and missing a trade, which I feel like every trade I stand down lately are the winning ones, and every trade I take are the losing ones. That's how I feel. But yeah, I have to do what I know is best. Yeah, let's see how silver's doing now. Silver's rejecting back below. All right, that's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. If we can get that small body green on silver, that would be terrific. That'd be terrific for sure. That's when you jump. Yeah. I'm just going to watch silver. I'm just going to watch silver for the next 5 minutes and see if we get that small body green. Yeah, let's see if we can get a small body green on silver and hop in for a sell. Oh, fuck. I missed the garbage. Legit, Ariel. It's always either first or last minute of the candle when we can't enter. Did gold pop after? No, it didn't. Oops. Yeah, so true. And you know what sucks? You know what really sucks is my winning streak of getting my gum in the garbage can from here just ended too. So it's a bad sign. Massive L. Who is new here? Yeah, who is new here? Who is new here? If you're new here, then hit that motherfucking subscribe button, yo. Yeah, smash it. Smash that freaking sub button. I'm working on a lot of freaking short form and long form content too. So it won't just be live streams every day. But yeah. It won't just be live streams. Logan says, I'm new, still trying to figure out how to withdraw that 50K from a combine. Any tips? Bruh. What's crazy is people genuinely probably believe that that's how this works. Yeah, that is, it's not good. That is not good, bro. Damn, it looks like we're gonna fail to hold below on this candle. Looks like we might fail to hold below. Grant, you're new here. Yeah, I haven't seen you before. Never seen you before. Yeah, guys, that's the thing. We're in December. It's my worst month I've ever had. If you want to continue to watch me poo the bed, then hit that sub button. Yo, good night, Chalk. Yeah, I'm having a good night for sure. What else can we expect from gold other than a fake out? Literally, man. Literally. Poo to bed. Yeah. Yeah, Grant, let me know if you have any questions, man. I know you're not experienced and you're completely new, so yeah, let me know, bro. I'd be happy to answer those. Yeah, it would be my pleasure to answer those questions, man. Absolutely. Abso-friggin-lutely, dude. Can I withdraw the full 50K of the challenge? Yeah, you can withdraw $50,000 out of your account if you use my Bullnox code. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. That is absolutely not true. Guys, yeah, this is looking like poo, guys. Honestly, like, this is not looking good, man. Use the link and you're good to go, legit. Locking you till London. I might give Asia another hour. Don't really want to stay on stream though. Maybe if is Orem still here? Might hop on call with Orem or something. If you want to. You want to hop on call for a bit? Breda. Or Brady. Brady or Orem. Yeah, pre-London. Not trading gold. Seems to just be faking out. Can't pick a direction. It's been tough, man. It's been tough. Yeah, guys. We'll be back for a pre-London stream 100%. 100%. I canceled it yesterday, but I'm not doing a... You want a one-on-one? Yeah, we can hop on call sometime. Why not? Yeah, 100%. But yeah, we'll be back for pre-London. And until then, have a good time. Like I said, I'll give this another hour. I'll give price action another hour in Asia, and then I'll be locking it till pre-London. Gonna try and get my Apex account figured out till then. And yeah, if you haven't hit the sub button, do it. Turn noties on so you're back. Would love to have you back. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later.